success. Everyone has a dream to become a success in their life, but some people get easily become a success in their life if we are doing hard work and we have patience and we have good time and we have to, if we have a discipline, we have to achieve something in their life because success.
Hello everyone. Today I would like to describe success has a no shortcut. In moving world, everyone success as quickly, as give a quickly, but and there is a no shortcut. Every successful person have discipline, dedication, and continuity.
We'll start.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will talk about success has not shortcut. Success does not come easily in one day. We must practice, be patient, and dedication every day. Every successful man put in hard work and dedication. Every failure.
My topic is success has no shortcut. Success does not come quickly and easily. Success comes. It means achieve your goals. Success come very hard working, more knowledge, and maintain consistency. Maintain.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Ganesh Kumar and today I am standing here for deliver my speech. Success has no any shortcut. That's right, success has no any shortcut. Success is a hard work that people do day to day life and they achieve their goal. If we talk about any successful man or successful people, that no one day came, every day they wake up, they do work hard and they sleep and again they do same thing. That they get success. That's all about me.
My name is Rashid Singh and today I am talking about that success has no shortcut. Success requires the things, the patience, time and hard work. So in the success has no shortcut because someone people doesn't know about it. He thinks about that the success just come in the one day. But success requires the time because success, when you spend in the time in your work in your field proper, then you need to then you get the knowledge from that and proper knowledge, and you plan everything stepwise and carefully. Then you got when you get the success, then you realize this thing because the
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Anisha Sharma and today I am here to explain my opinion about success has no shortcut. So it is true that success has no shortcut and sometimes and quick wins are often fragile and lost easily. So for achieving success it takes time and it takes knowledge. It's not the game of 2 to 3 days.
Today I would like to talk about the success has no shortcut. Yes, it is true because success wants many hard work, discipline and patience. But today's era, the people want the quick learning, like the quick result, quick success in their life. But in the successful persons beyond, there are a lot of sacrifice and the hard work of their field. Failure is not any.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ritesh Pal and today I am going to share my opinion. Success has not shortcut. Success not comes overnight. Success not comes overnight. Everyone successful person do work hard and patience for achieving your goals. If success worked easily, then everyone would be successful. So if I suppose that if I can achieve my goals, then
Everyone, my name is Anushka. So today I am going to tell you about the success has no shortcut. In my opinion, yes, success has no shortcuts because people have to take stairs to get success. Success is the key that realizing that our